Okay, this is going to be for the Unique Off-Road Products pack-out cleat bracket mounting install for the Wolverine X4 RMAX 4. Basically, they've taken their generic pack-out cleat mount and they've made some additional brackets custom for the X4 RMAX 4. So you don't have to drill to install this. You just tie into the existing hard points. So there's a front bracket here, and then there's two brackets back here. They're using 7/16 hardware, so you'll need a wrench and then a socket. You want to install these kind of loosely and not tight to begin with. And then right here is a star bolt that you have to remove. And then you'll need a 17mm socket to remove these anchor bolts for the seat belts, which are right here. So when you take it out, you're going to have bolt, washer, and then a spacer. What Unique Off-Road Products includes is an extra spacer, and how that's going to install is that's going to go between, oops, it's going to go bolt, washer, UORP spacer, seatbelt bracket, and then the stock spacer. All right. So let me get this all situated here. Going to put your pack out cleat bracket in place. And then, let's see if I have the right sides here. This is the passenger side, this is the driver's side. So, you want to get the stock spacers in first. Once they're in place, bolt, washer, seat belt, UORP spacer, and then just once you have that installed, it gives that additional free play for the seat belt to go back and forth. That's more like it. Once these are tightened down tight, these will still fold. So once you have that, then you can install this long bolt they provide, and that's actually 5/16. So once that's tightened down, you can go back, and all these mounting bolts you can tighten down fully. the seat bottoms up to get you some extra clearance. I'll see if I can do it without it. Finally tighten down these other bolts. Okay, so everything's tightened down. Get all my socks out of the way. Your seat belt still can go in the stowed position. And then this is really solid. You have a rollover. This isn't going anywhere. That's one nice thing about the Milwaukee pack-out system. And you notice you still have some space back here to store something. But I have a cooler and I have this storage unit, so you can stack them. So that's installing the pack-out cleat. Let me take this out of the holder. Get a better shot of the seat belt linker. That spacer they provide gives you that extra clearance. Now, when I first was dealing with Unique Off-Road Products, they were asking me advice on how to mount this thing, and I gave them my ideas. But these guys are really on the ball. 2 days later, they had designed and fabricated these extra brackets and had them out to me. I told them about the seat belt binding, the anchor, and they made the spacers. So this product went from the generic pack-out cleat to the customized X4 RMAX 4 in like 4 days. And you've seen the other products I've shown of theirs, the fender block offs. I'm getting an update. They're providing now a wing nut and a longer bolt for that. And then I just did another video yesterday showing these door pockets. And somebody was concerned about, space. Let's see if I can get light here. Here's your knee. You're not losing any foot space unless you have Arnold Schwarzenegger calf muscles. So people are worried about that. While I'm doing video, it's unrelated. For those of you who are getting your seatbelt caught between the door striker, I just installed a bungee cord that goes from there to there. And now when I let go of my seatbelt, it doesn't get in this area between the striker and the door. So